So yesterday we saw how to calculate the area of a trapezium, right? We saw how to calculate the area of a trapezium. And then we practiced some questions to calculate the area of trapezium and parallelogram. Right, one question again we'll try out, okay? One question from the parallelogram we'll try. And then we'll move on to the circle, okay? Area of circle. Now take a look at this question. The area of a parallelogram of base 42 meter is twice the area of the triangle whose height is 36 meter and base is 63 meter. Find the height of the parallelogram. Try out this question. I'm giving you all some time. Try out this question right now. We are given the measurements of the triangle, height and base, and we are given the base of the parallelogram.
Why did you move the screen from my phone?
It happened by mistake. The question is gone.
Ma'am,
Yes, Hedrick.
ma'am, is it 54 meter?
Yes, 54 meters. Hope it's clear to you all. The question in the question, we were given the base of the parallelogram. Okay, we don't know the area, but the question says that the area of parallelogram is twice the area of the triangle. Okay, twice the area of triangle makes the area of parallelogram, and triangles height and base are given to us. So with half base into height triangle formula, we can calculate the triangle area. Okay, so we have calculated the triangle's area. Now, now it says again that twice the area of triangle equals to the area of parallelogram. Means we multiply the area of triangle by 2. Okay, that is 1134 into 2. We will get the area of parallelogram. Okay, now we know we have the area of parallelogram, we have the base, we have its base. Okay, now we have to find its height. So, like I said, when you are given the area and the base, okay, you can just divide the area with base to find out the height. Okay, so we divided it 2 to 68, we divided by 42, and we will get the height that is 54 meter of the parallelogram. Okay, hope it's clear to you all now.
Yes, ma'am.
And I ask you, hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So, have you all written it, or do you need some more time?
Ma'am, written.
Written, ma'am. Done.
Written? Okay. 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 So now we will move on to circles. Okay. We will move on to the circles. Okay. Now I have a circle. Okay. I have a circle. And what is the perimeter of the circle?
Ma'am, circumference.
Very good. The perimeter of a circle is marked by its circumference. Okay. If I like start from any point on the circumference, okay, from any point on the circumference, okay, and take a round covering the whole thing, okay. Suppose, one second. I have this point P, okay. I started walking from this direction, okay, from this direction, and again came to P, okay. Means I covered a whole circle, a whole round, marking the circumference. This is known as perimeter of a circle. Okay, a perimeter of a circle. They've given some activity to measure the circumference using a thread, but we are not going to do that. Now, we know what is diameter, right? We know what is diameter, and we know what is a radius. We have a center point. Okay, from the center point to the circumference is the radius. Alright, yes, we know. Then we know that.
Is the diameter.
Sorry,
Ma'am, double the radius is the diameter.
double the radius is the diameter. Okay, from one end of the circle to the other end, which passes through the center of the circle, is your diameter. Okay, yes, we know. Now, to calculate this circumference, we have a formula.
Ma'am, 2 pi r. 2 pi r.
Yes. Circle, the formula is 2 into pi into r. Okay, now what is pi?
Ma'am, 3.14159.
Yes, pi can be either used as 22 by 7
3.1.
or pi can be used as
3.14.
5. Okay, so this is the value of pi we take and then we multiply it with the radius. Okay, to find out the circumference of a circle. Okay, this is also known as perimeter of circle. Any doubt in this? Write this down and then we'll try out some questions. Okay,
Done, ma'am.
done? Okay.
Ma'am, I was still writing it down.
Write it down.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
done, ma'am.
Done. Oh. Okay. Now, this question, find the circumference of a circle. Its radius 3.5 centimeters. Find out the answer and tell me.
We have to multiply it by 3.14.
Do we have to multiply it by 3.14? You can take either, okay, 3.14 or 22 by 7. Okay, take any one of it.
Ma'am, is it 22 cm?
Yes, Cedric, that is right. Two pi r. Okay, means that 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 3.5. So I can write, I will remove the point and I will get 10 as a denominator. Okay, 35 by 10 it becomes because I am removing the decimal. Now cancel. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. 5 ones are 5 sevens are 7 ones are and 7 ones are. Okay, so we are only left with 22. So circumference is 22 centimeters. So this question is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I have this one as well. This question tells, take 5 equals to 22 by 7.
Ma'am,
Some question. Yes, Edward.
ma'am, here can you directly pi into diameter?
Pi into diameter. Okay. Pi into diameter we can take because again the pi into diameter we will not multiply it with 2. Okay, if we are using pi into diameter, we won't multiply it with 2. But still, I'll suggest you that do 2 pi r only. First divide the diameter by 2, make it radius, okay, and then try this out. Because we have to go according to the formula, 2 pi r. Yeah.
Ma'am, is it 5.5 cm?
Yes, actually, 5.5 cm is the answer. Five point five centimeter. Okay. What I did, I took 1.75 as my diameter. Okay. And my formula is 2 pi r. Okay. What is r? Diameter by 2. Okay. That is the formula for r, radius, diameter by 2. That thing only I put. Okay. I put 2 into value of pi 22 by 7 into diameter upon 2. That is 1.75 divided by 2. Then I cancel whatever was cancelling. Okay. 2 and 22. Then I was left with 30. Then I multiplied the rest. I had 38.5 divided by 7. Okay. Then you divide it 38 by 5 by 7, 38.5 by 7, and we'll get the answer. That is 5.5 centimeter. So this is how you can do it when you are given the
But how did
diameter.
you get 1.75 by 2?
1.75 by 2. Okay. So Simeon, what is the formula for radius? Radius. If we have the diameter, so we divide the diameter by 2. Okay, why? Because the radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is 6, the radius will be 3. Okay, 6 by 2. Alright, so that is why, and I have radius r in the formula. But I don't have radius. I have the diameter. So can I put d by 2 in the formula? Yes, I can use diameter by 2 here. In the place of radius, I can put diameter by 2. Okay, so that it will give me the radius. Alright,
I did 22 by 7 into 175 by 100 and I got the same thing.
175 by 100. Okay. Um, 22 by 7. Okay, you did. You ignored this too. Okay, because diameter is like twice the radius. So you ignored this too, but you didn't do half of that one. Okay, and then you remove the decimal. Yes, I mean, we can do that. That method is correct. Okay, that method is correct. We can do that. Okay, but still I'll suggest you to go on with the formula. But else it's fine. Okay, it's fine with me. Like if you do with that method also, it's fine. Anything else? Any other doubts from the perimeter of the circle?
No, ma'am. No doubts, ma'am.
Anaya, Zara, anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next up, we have area of a circle.
Ma'am, area of a circle is pi r square.
Yes, Cedric, that is right. Okay. Now, area of a circle, if we say, is this thing that is inside the circle. Okay. The surface area is basically the area of the circle. Okay. The whole surface area, the circular region, that is the area of a circle. What's the formula for it? Area of circle we do pi r square. Okay. We have the radius in the circle. Okay. We have the radius, we have the center point, and then we have a radius. Okay. We have a radius. So we multiply the value of pi, okay, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14 with the square of the radius. Okay. That's the square of the radius. Radius into radius we do. Okay. We take its square and then we multiply the value of pi with it. Okay. Again, pi also, you can take any. You can take either the 22 by 7 or the 3.14 value. Okay. You can take any of it. All right.
So how do you find area of a circle with radius? I mean, with diameter.
With diameter, we can do diameter by 2 and then whatever we will get, we multiply it with itself. Suppose the diameter, 1 second. Suppose the diameter is given 6. Okay. Radius will be 6 by 2, that is 3. Okay. Radius square will be 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter. Now put it in the formula 22 by 7 into 9. Okay. And find out the area like this will be. Okay. Hope it's clear the concept of the area of a circle. Hope the concept is clear to you all. We are close to finishing the chapter. Let's finish the chapter. Okay. We will try out one question. The perimeter of a circular mat and rectangular mat is 132 centimeters. Which of these two will cover more region? I think it is here it is square mat. Which of these two. Will cover more region. Okay, so we have the perimeter means the circumference. Okay, the measure of the circumference of the circle and the sides of the square. Okay, now we have to find out its area. All right, we have to find out its area. So first we'll find out the side. Okay, perimeter of square mat is how much? Perimeter of square mat 132 centimeter. Okay, side will be 132 by 4. Okay, so one side will be 33 centimeter. All right. Now area is area side square. Area equals side square. So 33 into 33. That is 1089 centimeters square. Okay, so we have the this thing area of the square mat. Now we'll do the area of the circle mat. Circumference of circular mat is given 132 centimeters. Radius equals to perimeter upon 2 pi. Okay, perimeter upon 2 pi or circumference upon 2 pi. Then put the values 132 upon 2. Okay, into this pi goes there and it's reversed 7 upon 22. Hope you all know that when we are taking something from the denominator to like separately into multiplication, we do a reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, the fraction its reciprocal is 10. Okay, now cancel 132 by 2 into 7 by 22. Cancel this out.
Ma'am, 21.
21. 33. 11 ones are 11 threes are 7 threes are 21 centimeters. We have the radius. Now find the area of circular mat. Area is how much? Pi r square 22 by 7 into r square means radius multiply the radius by itself. Okay, 3s are 21. Okay, so multiplied of 23s are 66 into 21. That is 1386 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the area of the circle. Now we have the answer that the circle will cover more region. Okay. The circular mat will cover more region than the square mat. Okay. Look, once again, I'll explain you all from the start. Okay, what we did. The question says that we have the perimeter. Okay, means this is okay. 1 second. A circular mat. Okay, and a square mat. Okay, they have given us the perimeters, means the measure of the boundaries. Okay, they have given the measure of the boundary of the circle, measure of the boundary of the square. We have to find out which one of the mats will cover more space, more region. Means that in the question you can see that area is being asked. Okay, more region means this part we have to calculate. Okay, we are given the boundary, but its region we have to calculate. Okay, means the area. All right. Now we have first we will see the square mat. Okay, we will see the square mat. We have the perimeter boundary we have. So when we have the boundary, can we calculate the side? Yes, we can calculate by dividing the perimeter by 4. Okay, because what is perimeter? Sum of the four sides of a square. That is perimeter. So we divide by 4, we'll get the measurement of one side. Okay, so we have 132 by 4, one side of the square, 33 centimeter. Okay, now we will come to the area of the square. Okay, area of the square is what? Side square means side into side. That's the formula. So we did 33 into 33. We got 1089 centimeter square. Okay, so we have the region of the square mat. Okay, this is 1089. Okay, for the square mat, it's covering this much. 1089 centimeters square area it's covering. Okay, now we will come to circular mat. Okay, again circular mat. I have the circumference. Okay, 132 centimeters. I have this circumference 132 centimeter. Okay, this boundary, this whole boundary 132 centimeter. I have. So radius I have to find out. Okay, circumference I have. So I use the circumference formula. Okay, what is the formula of circumference again? Anyone?
And 2 pi r.
2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. C equals to 2 pi r. R we don't know. Okay, okay, look here. This is what I did. This is what I did. C equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so r is equals to, okay, r we take here, circumference we will take here. All right, 2 pi
C by 2 pi.
C by 2 pi. Okay, because C I know and R I don't know. R I took this side, what I don't know. What I know, I took it that side. Okay, so C by 2 pi. Okay, this is what I used to find the radius. Alright, C or P, circumference or perimeter, same thing. Okay, then I put the values, okay, of the circumference of the pi. Okay, then I want like the pi, then if I put the value here in this form only, it will be 132 upon 2 into 22 by 7. Okay, 2 into 22 by 7. But this 22 by 7, I wanted to take it separately so it can be cancelled. So I could cross cancel or like cancel the values. So I wanted this 22 by 7 separately. So when we take a fraction separately, we do its reciprocal. Okay, so it became 132 by 2 into 7 by 22 into 7 by 22. Okay, So now I have all the values. Okay. Now I can cancel and solve. Now I can cancel and solve 32 by 2 into 7 by 22 to calculate my radius. Okay. I cancelled everything. I have the radius 21 centimeter. Okay. I have my radius 21 centimeter. Now when we know the radius, we can calculate the area. Okay. Because the area formula main thing is the radius. Pi r square. Okay. Pi value we know, r square we have to do. So pi 22 by 7 into r square. 21 is my radius, so 21 into 21. Then I cancelled again everything and got my area, which is 1386. So this area of circle I'm at 1386. Okay, means that it will cover more area compared to the square one. Okay. So this way we will calculate. We first see in the main formula, area formula, what all we need. Then what we need, that thing we have to calculate first with what we have. Okay. We had the perimeter. So with perimeter, I calculated side of the square because I needed side in the area. For the circle with perimeter, with circumference, I calculated the radius because I needed the radius to calculate the area. Okay, so first radius and side we calculated. Then with those things we calculate the area of both the things. Okay. Now, if any doubt in this question, you can ask. Any other confusion? Still a confusion you can ask. Okay. Zara,
No, ma'am.
Sunil, and Anaya.
No.
Okay. So write this. Okay. And this such questions are like important from the examination point of view also. Okay. Like these problem questions are there. So practice them. Okay, practice them. See, the formula remains the same for all the figures. Okay, for the area and for the perimeter, the formulas are all the same. But you have to see that if we have this and if we don't have this, so with what we have this thing, how can we find out the other thing? That thing you have to see. Okay, but else the formulas are the same. You can just shift them to find the missing values. Okay, homework is 16.5 and 16.6 for the weekend. Okay, try out 16.5. Have I given you all 16.5 before? I think I've given you 16.6. Try 16.6 for the homework. Okay, in the weekend. All right. I like strongly suggest you all to try practice out more questions, such questions, problem questions. Okay, practice more problem questions because these are like really important from the exam point of view. Problem questions are really important. Okay, like this area is twice this or that. Okay, find the measure of this mat and the person is running around this field. Okay, how much distance is covered? Problem questions in which like directly it's not asked, but you have to find the same thing. That practice those questions. Okay, and Monday you can ask me your doubts. Monday we'll also do the formula sheet. Okay, I'll we will make a formula sheet, all the formulas from this chapter. All right. Okay. Okay then. That's all for the class today. See you all. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.